all, welcome back to Pabli, and in this video I'll show you how you can also send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting banned. And yes, this is a very safe method. So WhatsApp don't ban random numbers. You make some mistakes which lead to the ban of the WhatsApp number. The major mistake you make is not using the official WhatsApp API. So it is very important that you use official business WhatsApp API provider only. And yes, in this video we're going to use the same, and I'll tell you how you can also send bulk WhatsApp messages without the risk of ban. So for that, you just have to open a new tab and search for pably.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabli Chatflow. So as you can see, Pabli Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API. So this is very important, and this is the one because of which you will not get banned. And yes, this is the landing page of Pabli Chatflow, and if you are a new user, in the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So once you click on the sign up for free, you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabli Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Like this, you can try Pabli Chatflow, and if you like Pabli Chatflow, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabli Chatflow. And for that, because you watch our YouTube videos, so we have a special discount coupon code for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabli Chatflow, and you're going to get all these features which are mentioned right over here. But I'll suggest you once try Pabli Chatflow. If you like it, then only move on further and purchase it. Alright, so once you sign up for free, just log in inside Pabli Chatflow and open your dashboard. This is very important. And once you're on the dashboard, make sure that if you added your WhatsApp number inside Pabli Chatflow. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, just click on this add WhatsApp number button and you can add it right from here. A video tutorial dedicated on how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabli Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number, so let's move on further and see how we can send bulk messages without getting banned. For that, you have to keep in mind two things. The first major thing is the contact section. So from the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this contact section. Once you're on the contact section, make sure that you've created a contact list. As you can see, I have created multiple contact lists right over here. And how can you also create this contact list? For that, click on this add contact button and now click on this add bulk contact. Now you have to upload a CSV file over here. From where are you going to get the CSV file? So first of all, jot down all the lead details or the customer details in a single spreadsheet. Go to this file, download, and download this in CSV format. Then you can simply upload the CSV file right over here in Pabli Chatflow, and all of these contacts will be added in Pabli Chatflow, and further you can create a contact list for the same. Not only this, if you wish to learn more about this contact section in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Now let's move on further. From the left hand of the side, we have to go towards this broadcast section of Pabli Chatflow. Once we're on this broadcast section, we have to click on this add broadcast button, and now it is saying to select the broadcast type. So you have to select it as broadcast campaign. It is asking me for the broadcast name, so I'm just going to keep it as offers. Let's say I'm just going to keep it as new offers right over here. And now it is asking me for the contact list, which is most important. So that's the reason I told you it is very important to create the contact list to whom you want to send this bulk messages. Alright, so you have to just select the contact list right from here. You can select multiple contact lists like this. And further, if you wish, you can also select a single contact list too. I'm just going to select a dummy contact list right over here, which only has 2 contacts, but you can select multiple and you can send bulk messages right over here. Alright, now it is asking me to select the message type. So the first is this pre-approved template message, and the second is this regular message. So if you want to send the regular message, select regular message, select the message type right from here, and then you can enter the message like this right over here, and then you can send this message to multiple customers or leads. But the second thing which we have is this pre-approved template message. So over here you have to select a WhatsApp template, but for that, first let's learn what is this template section. So as you can see that this is the template section. From the left hand of the side, I'm over here at the template list, and this is the template section. And in this template section, I've created the template which is this, which I'm just going to send towards my lead. And if you also want to create a new template, click on this add template button and you can create it right from here. If you want a video tutorial dedicated dedicated towards this template section. It is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'm just going to use this template. Alright, so for that I'm just going to select this WhatsApp template and go towards the same template. As you can see, the name of that template was offers. So I'm just going to look for the offers and select this template. Now it is asking me for body field 1. This field is the required and must not be empty. Use dynamic with this dollar symbol, example $name, $first name, to replace the placeholders like 1 and 2. So what is this body field 1? So let's erase this demo which was written right over here, and as you can see now it is saying hey in brackets 1. So what is this one? This one is a variable, and I want this one to be replaced with the name of my lead every time we send an automated WhatsApp message, so that we can send bulk messages, but personalized bulk messages to all the leads or customers. That's the reason that we keep this body field 1 as dynamic. And how can we keep this as dynamic? What we have to do is, from the left hand of the side we have to go towards this settings, and then we have to go towards this contact custom fields. Once we are on the contact custom fields, you're going to see this 4 contact custom fields will be already added in your account. These are universal. These are added in all the accounts. You cannot delete or edit this. And over here in the contact custom field, you're going to find the name. So you just have to copy this $name and paste it right over here in this body field 1. Now this $name will be replaced with the name of your lead every time you send an automated WhatsApp message. Like I did this for name, you can do this for any another thing too. If it is not in the universal field, you can create the contact custom field like this right from here. As you can see, I've created multiple. If you want to do for the pickup date, you can simply copy this pickup date and paste it right over here in your body field 1, and so on. So yes, after doing this, you have to click on this done, and the message type is ready. Now it's asking me for the username and the phone number, so you can test this message broadcast before sending it to multiple leads. What you can do is you can simply enter the username, and then you can enter the message just to send a test message in order to check that if the message is correct or not. So let's click on this send test message button right over here, and it is saying test broadcast sent. So let's open our WhatsApp, and as you can see, the message which we have received is correct. Now we can send this to multiple contacts at once. Alright, so let's erase this number right from here, and we're going to send it to multiple contacts. For that we have 2 options: send instantly. So if we click on this no, send instantly, and add broadcast, this is going to send instantly. But if you want to schedule it for later, you can keep it as yes, schedule for later, and select the date and time right over here. You just have to keep in mind the format of the date and time, which is month, date, years, hours, and minutes. So I'm just going to select the date and time. I'm just going to go towards this calendar from the right hand of the site, and let's say I'm just going to select the date and time of 12th of January 12 p.m. and then click on this add broadcast, and now this broadcast is scheduled for 12th of January 12 p.m. and as you can see over here is the broadcast which is scheduled right now. Further, when this broadcast is going to run, you can also view the stats of the same. You can go towards this view stats, and you can see how much was sent, delivered, read, and also the rest of the details just by going towards this view stats button. And also you can see the read, pending, ignored, and failed to, and further you can analyze this broadcast. And yes, with this we have successfully learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting banned. The major thing was to use the official WhatsApp Business Cloud API provider, and Pabbly Chatflow is the one. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can try and send 100 of messages for free. So go and try this. If you like it, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. If you have any doubts, the comment section is open. You can ask them in the comment section. My team is going to help you out. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.